In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best hair clippers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the hair clippers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the hair clippers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Kemei KM1550 Hair Clipper. The Kemei KM1550 is a professional cordless hair clipper designed for precision and comfort. Featuring a 2000 mAh battery, it offers up to 180 minutes of continuous use after just 3 hours of charging. The LED display provides battery and charging status at a glance, while its low-noise motor ensures a quiet grooming experience. With a powerful 7000 RPM motor and durable steel blades, it delivers clean, smooth cuts for both home and salon use. Lightweight and USB rechargeable, it's perfect for on-the-go grooming. Number 4. ANZ USB Rechargeable Clipper Set. The ANZ USB Rechargeable Hair Clippers set includes a versatile 3-piece kit with multiple nozzles for complete grooming. Designed for wet and dry haircuts, it features washable stainless steel blades and a quick-charging battery that delivers over 90 minutes of use. Suitable for head, beard, body, nose, ears, and even eyebrows, this multifunctional set is ideal for home use. The mains and battery operation option ensures you can groom anytime without interruptions, while the precision attachments make styling easy. Number 3. Riwa RE6305 Hair Clipper. The Riwa RE6305 is a professional-grade hair clipper with a carbon steel cutter head for long-lasting sharpness. It offers variable speed control for different hair types and lengths, and its washable design allows for easy maintenance. With a 160-minute runtime and fast 3-hour charging, it's perfect for home or salon use. The included nozzle attachments provide precise length adjustments, while the powerful vibrating motor ensures efficient trimming. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during long grooming sessions. Number 2. Kemei KM1990 Hair Clipper. The Kemei KM1990 is a premium rotary motor hair clipper designed for both professional and home grooming. It supports electric length adjustment and offers both wet and dry cutting options. Featuring stainless steel blades and a fast-charging battery with over 90 minutes of runtime, it's ideal for versatile hair styling. With 5 or more nozzle attachments, it covers everything from close fades to longer trims. The LCD display keeps you informed, and its ABS metal build ensures durability for years of use. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Hair Clipper 2. The Xiaomi Mijia Hair Clipper 2 combines sleek design with powerful performance. Wireless and lightweight, it offers smooth, precise cuts with minimal noise. Its sharp blades glide effortlessly through hair, while the cordless design ensures easy maneuverability. Built for convenience, it charges quickly and lasts long enough for multiple cuts. Ideal for sideburns, full haircuts, or touch-ups, it's a modern grooming tool that's as stylish as it is functional, making it perfect for home or travel use.